How bad is that?
Yeah, this is real bad.
Did it break off in there?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That right there's gonna be bad.
I didn't even look to see what these things supposed to be gapped at.
It's on the either on the column or up top.
But we got
bigger problems.
we got bigger fish to fry.
We got one cracked off. This is why you change your spark plugs pretty frequently. You don't want this to happen.
Unless your name is Mike.
What just happened was, if you look at that spark plug, how it was already cracked all the way around. All it had was one little old good piece of metal. And she broke off. And that's bad, real bad.
Make sure you let it sit for a while so it don't break.
Oh, you talking about cool off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, Mike, I think you need to.
You don't want to pull hot spark plugs out of an engine.
I think you need to start changing your spark plugs like once every 2 years or something.
Yep, that's the plan.
To be honest with you, them probably is 2 years old.
No, because we're in 18 and I've known you since. Why? When did I start fishing with you? 16?
Last
Year before, 16.
2 years. Yeah. So.
Right down in there.
Because it done sparked so much in there. Alright, y'all, we're going to figure out what we can do to get the spark plug out and to get that end out of that one. We figure it out, we'll be back with you. Alright, y'all, so we that broke off spark plug. We spent 2 hours looking for an easy out. As it turned out, I had one hanging on the wall right here. But I want y'all to look at this dog box tie down. And we use that sandwich strap tight, put some tension on it, and look at there. That right there
Broke spark plug out.
is our broke spark plug out of the hole.
Redneck ingenuity.
Redneck ingenuity, it'll fix anything. So there's always a way. All you got to do is want to find it. We're going to put this last spark plug in and we'll be done with this. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that little bell, you'll be notified of all of our new videos. Thank you for watching.